Today we are flying Iberia business class to Madrid. I started my journey at Boston Logan International Airport. After quickly making my way through security, I made my way to the Chase Sapphire Lounge. I was able to access this lounge through my Priority Pass benefits from my Chase Sapphire Reserve. You can also use your once yearly visit if you have a Priority Pass from another card issuer like American Express. The Chase Lounge at Boston Airport is the second Chase Lounge I've visited, and I've enjoyed them all. This location is much bigger than the one at Washington Dulles. There are plenty of food options available and tons of seating areas, as well as a kids' play area and shower suites. I also really like the bar in the center of the lounge. I grabbed a seat near the bar area and then used the QR code to order some food off the a la carte menu. I went with my favorite and their signature cocktail, La Puerta. I also grabbed the Sapphire burger and some spicy orange chicken. Since I had time to kill, I decided to go over to the British Airways lounge. If you're enjoying this video, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to see more videos like this. The British Airways Lounge is the one you should have access to as a business class passenger on Iberia, as they are both members of the One World Alliance. There was a decent amount of seating, food options, and some views of the apron and plane spot, but I certainly prefer the Chase Lounge if you have access to it. Soon after, we were boarding. Waiting for me at my seat was a pillow and a mattress cover. To the left is a small storage area for your headphones and the Amenity Kit. Just below that is your IFE remote and the seat controls. You also have an adjustable armrest, a small cubby, a universal power outlet, headphone port, and USB port. In front is a small TV, a nice sized footwell, and a small storage area for your shoes. Back to your left is a tray table. It folds out and swivels so that you can get out of your seat during the meal service, which is certainly appreciated. The printed menus were at the seat, and I browsed to see what I would want once we got up in the air. I went with the salmon for my starter and the grilled beef rib for my main, which was later accompanied with a glass of cava. Alright, let's check out the Amenity Kit. So we got a nice little pair of socks, an eye mask. It's actually like raised, kind of textured. It feels nice. Then we have lip balm, earplugs, some hand cream, a little bit of turbulence, and a dental kit. Otherwise, pretty small, not too much going on in there, but decent. It was getting dark, so I decided to make up my bed and get a little bit of sleep. Not too long after, we were approaching Madrid in the early hours of the morning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.